gas braai. Today I'm going to show you how to operate this gas braai, and for us who's living in South Africa and who's struggling with stage 5 load shedding at this moment, this is an essential product for you to have in your house. Okay, so what is in the box? First of all, you get a stainless steel 304 grit. Okay, inside, if you have a look, we have used this product before, but there's two gas burners inside. Alright, then also in the box is this LPG gas hose. You can connect it with any canister you like. We are using at this moment this 10 kg canister. Right, so now we're going to operate this machine and see how it goes. Okay. Now, push down, turn. Oh, go. Alright, so one of the most important things about a gas braai is you don't need any cold spots. And that is one of our greatest characters about this gas braai. We don't have any cold spots. Alright, so and that is why our product is #1. Okay, so we're going to do a borscht today. If you don't want any flare-ups, you can always turn your grit around. We are going to do that. Okay, like you can see now, the grit is turned around. You will have less flare-ups now with the grit that is turned up. Wow, I can actually see the fat falling into the grit channels, and that is why the flare-up is less. Okay, let's turn it to low now, for a little bit less heat. Wow, looks amazing.
Good.
Evenly. Ooh, look at, there's a little bit of.
Are you scared?
Of getting dirty, y'all. Woo! Look at this!
Okay, I think it's fine, take it off.
It's good. You can see there's no cold spots whatsoever. Perfectly bright, perfect braai. Wow, it smells good, it looks good, it's perfect. Even a woman can do this.
Right.
You can also cook a pizza on your 2-burner gas braai.